Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering page not available, your IT administrator has limited access to apps, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing, if you're using a public network like at your workplace or in a library where the access to apps is limited or allowed by the IT administrator, then you're getting this error message because he or she has limited the access to the app that you're trying to use. So you need to contact the IT administrator to allow access to the app that you're trying to use and getting this error message. The second thing you need to check is your account is in your name and not in the company's name or any other name. So go to right click on the start button, go to settings, go to accounts, and then go to your info. Make sure that it is your email that is entered into the accounts. If not, then you can go to account, sign in options, and then sign in using any one of the four options available to you. The third thing you can do is you can repair the Windows app. So for that you need to input a command in PowerShell. That command is this one. You will find it in the description of this video. You copy it and then you search for PowerShell and right click on Windows PowerShell, click on run as administrator, and then we will paste this command into the PowerShell window and press enter, and we should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.